I was just thanking the traditional landowner, or the paramount chief of this province, Tuna Vitilevu, and his subjects, also the chairman of the provincial council, for their generosity in allowing us to gather here today to celebrate this momentous occasion. And I jokingly said that this is the second product that this province has produced that will have hopefully a global following. You have Fiji water, and now you'll have Fiji specialty coffee. We are honored to gather here, and I was just thanking the traditional landowners in the vernacular before I begin my formal remarks here today. To the Specialty Coffee Association, Mr. Yanis Astolopoulos and his dear wife, Ona Kofi CEO, Mr. Sasha Sestik, Ona Kofi Fiji CEO, Mr. Mahir Prasad, Maila Barika owner, Mr. Jason Liu, Maguta Estate Director, Mr. David Maguta, who's probably traveled the furthest from the ends of the earth to come here today, to the other end of the earth. Welcome. Savage Coffee's owner, Mr. Jameson Savage, Mr. Matthew Levin, and Mr. Hidoneki Isaki. Welcome to you all. Also, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of the chairman of the Ra Provincial Council, Mr. Salambongi, who's here with us today, the CEO of Investment Fiji, Mr. Kamal Chetty, the CEO of FDB, Mr. Wangabada, the Deputy High Commissioner of Australia, Mr. Andrew Shepherd, who's here, and the various VIPs and very important people that are here today. Like I said, Sayan Ravinaka, and good morning to you all. Today marks a significant milestone in Fiji's agricultural sector and the broader economic implications. This gathering is not merely a launch of a new company, but it is to witness the beginnings of a new chapter in Fiji's agri-export journey, one that promises transformation, resilience, and opportunity. The launch of Ona Kofi Fiji is more than just a commercial venture. It is an investment in the future of our rural economies, our farmers, and the economic potential of our nation. It signals to the world that Fiji is ready to continue to participate meaningfully in the global specialty coffee market, and to do so with excellence, equity, and sustainability. Ona Kofi is a globally respected brand. Their success in Australia and across the world is built on ethical sourcing, quality production, and a deep sense of community engagement. They have demonstrated that great coffee starts on the farm, but its true value is unlocked through partnership with local communities. The decision by Ona Kofi to plant its roots in Fiji under the leadership of Mr. Sasa Sestik and Mahir Prasad is a vote of confidence in our people and its potential. Let us not forget, coffee is not new to Fiji. While coffee already grows in various parts of our country, the challenge before us is how to turn this underutilized resource into a structured high-value industry that meets global standards while delivering benefits to local farmers and communities. Ona Kofi Fiji's model is exactly the kind of inclusive, future-focused initiative we want to promote. They plan to work initially with around 30 farmers in Rakiraki, while mapping wild coffee and purchasing beans at a fair price is just the beginning. Their goal is to distribute 1 million high-quality seedlings over 500 acres, focusing on Arabica and Liberica varieties, a long-term investment in this sector. The establishment of processing facilities here in Rakiraki and other parts of Fiji potentially will ensure quality control and also value-added addition to our exports, and of course, generate much-needed employment. It will build technical capacity, ensure local participation across the value chain, and retain more wealth in our communities. The benefits from consistent income during the growing phase to long-term returns as trees mature will be tangible and far-reaching. This initiative aligns perfectly with the Fijian government's broader economic strategy to diversify our economy, to enhance rural economic development, which really gets down to the grassroots levels, and promote private sector-led growth. In recent years, we have boosted high-value crops like kava, ginger, and turmeric. Now, specialty coffee represents the next frontier, one that combines global market potential with rural inclusivity. We understand that for any industry to thrive, we must create an enabling environment. That's why the government, the People's Government, through the Ministry of Trade, the Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Tauke Affairs, the Investment Fiji, and other stakeholders have formed a multi-agency working group to drive this initiative. This team is tasked with actually ensuring that the Ona Coffee gains a footing in Ra and whatever other locations they wish to go to. Of course, we are also working closely with the Ministry of Tauke Affairs to ensure land can be leased and have security of tenure in terms of leasing, which will build community trust and sustainable land use. We've already identified suitable farms to support Ona Coffee's rollout, and our focus remains building a system where both investors and local communities progress with clarity and purpose. To further support this agenda, we've also established a commercial agriculture, aquaculture, and forestry task force, and I'd like to acknowledge the Madam Minister for Fisheries and Forests, who's just arrived and sitting at the back there, who actually is from this province. And basically, this task force is designed, or has been designed, to ensure when any investor enters agriculture or aquaculture or any other form of green industry, the task force provides practical assistance, guidance, and fast-tracks opportunities for Fijians and investors alike. Of course, there are other things that are underway. We are comprehensively reviewing legislation in our country. You could probably joke that this year will be the year of legislative reform. This involves updating our laws to make them relevant to current realities, simplifying compliance, and removing, over time, bureaucratic hurdles that discourage investment and innovation. These reforms are also part of a wider push to improve the ease of doing business in Fiji. Over the past year, we have simplified the starting a business process, enhanced digital services in government, and increased interagency coordination. We want to make Fiji a place where good ideas can take root quickly and where entrepreneurs, local and international, feel supported in every step. Through the Ministry of Immigration, we are doing some work around immigration and its challenges. We are also investing in Fiji's digital future. The entry of Google and Starlink in 2024 marks a significant leap in digital connectivity in Fiji, especially in the rural and maritime areas. Improved connectivity, which will also help the coffee farmers, will empower farmers, cooperatives, and small businesses to access markets, resources, and services in real time. At the grassroots, of course, we continue to expand our support for micro, small, and medium enterprises and cooperatives. This includes grants, training, and business advisory services. The goal is very simple: to equip people to rise out of poverty through entrepreneurship, innovation, and self-reliance. The trickle-down effect of economic growth must reach every village, every household, and every farmer. Ladies and gentlemen, all of this reflects a coordinated national effort to build an economy that is resilient, inclusive, and forward-looking. An economy that recognizes the true value of rural enterprise. One that prioritizes sustainability, transparency, and trust. To the farmers across Rakiraki and across Fiji, you are the backbone of the agricultural industry, and with your knowledge and your land and your hard work, we can continue to grow products. And for the farmers of Rakiraki, we can continue to start building a product that commands premium prices and builds pride at home. To Ona Kofi, your commitment to ethical sourcing and rural development is already winning hearts. We thank you for believing in Fiji. To our international partners, particularly the esteemed colleagues from the coffee industry that are here today, we value your confidence in our country. Together, we will build an industry and a reputation for world-class coffee that is Fijian grown from the province of Ra, sustainably harvested, and globally respected. And finally, to Mr. Yanis Apostolopoulos, Chief Executive Officer of the Specialty Coffee Association. Sir, your presence here today underscores the global interest in Fiji's emerging coffee industry. And we thank you for coming with your beautiful wife to our shores. As a government, we are just not here to facilitate or talk. We are here to partner, to work hard with vision, accountability, and high ambition. May this be the beginning of a fruitful journey between Ona Coffee, all the other members of the coffee industry, our farmers, and for Fiji. May God bless Ona Coffee. May God bless the province of Ra, the birthplace of Fiji specialty coffee, and may God bless Fiji. Nakasawalev.
All the way from Kenya, we have Mr.